We know the fentanyl crisis impacts all our communities in Colorado. Now 200 public health officials have gathered for the Denver Fentanyl Action Summit, 2 days to learn from each other. Our Kennedy Cook joins us now from the Montbello neighborhood, where she is with the Wellness Winnie. And Kennedy, this mobile resource clinic is just one of the few tools geared to help provide behavioral health and support services.
That is absolutely correct, Michelle. The Wellness Winnie is here that provides mental health counselors, peer support, and different resources for the community. If we take a look over here, they have shampoo, soap, cans of Narcan, and they even have rapid response fentanyl testing kits. And this is all a part of an effort that the city of Denver is doing to address the rise of fentanyl in the community. Now, this Fentanyl Action Summit comes at a time where overdoses and fentanyl-related deaths are at an all-time high. Mayor Michael Hancock says the summit is focused on the issue, but also finding that solution through harm reduction, public health strategies, and legislation. Now, organizers also hope to eliminate the stigma surrounding addiction and overcoming it. One mother who lost her son to an opioid overdose is now advocating for those dealing with addiction.
I'm also a mother, whose son Mark died of a preventable heroin overdose after fighting with everything he had to overcome his addiction, a death that could have so easily been avoided. Mark could and should still be here. I would have my son, his sisters would have their brother, his wife would have her husband, his family and friends would have them in his life, but more importantly, his son Maxwell would have his dad. And I think that is the biggest tragedy in my son's death.
Now, we've linked some resources to mental health support and substance abuse at CBS Colorado. You can call or text those phone numbers available. There are also support groups in need located locally and nationwide. Some of those are advocacy groups, and grieving support groups are just a few to name. Live in Denver, Kennedy Cook, covering Colorado First.